Hi, today I'm for the Oppo A78 5G and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpapers on this device. Now first open the settings application and then tap to wallpapers and style. Click here to allow and tap the wallpaper section. So here you'll see the default photos from your device. Just all of the default photos, you could use them if you want. Or also here we got this section with the album. So here we got photos from our device gallery previously taken before on our device camera or downloaded from the internet. For example, I'll use one from this default wallpapers, and after that I'll set one from the online wallpapers. To use online wallpapers, you should be sure that you are connected to the internet, to the Wi-Fi or another mobile data. So let's use one from the default wallpapers now. So click here apply and tap to lock screen. So now let's just check. And as we can see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we got one more way how we can do that. Just hold for a while your home screen with a finger, then tap on the left down corner to wallpapers, and now just let's select one from the available wallpapers. For example, let's use this one. Just click apply and by the same way tap to lock screen. So as you can see, that's so simple. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.